Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your introduction video. Now, if you notice, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. I've already put in 2 video options for your 30-day challenge. Okay? What I'm going to do here is put in a section for the introduction. Now, the easiest thing for you to do at this point is retitle this My Introduction Video. Choose a different color. You can do whatever you like. Okay, and then when you're ready to upload, if you're going to do it from your phone, click here. And you can upload your file. If you're going to do it from YouTube, click here and put in the URL.
If you were to add a YouTube video to your site.
Now, if you notice, there's a tutorial right here on YouTube that shows you what to do. It's very, very easy. Okay, one little note. Remember that if you're sharing YouTube, don't put it on private because we won't be able to see it. And don't put it on public because anybody could find it. Put it on unlisted, and only the people that have your link can see it. So you're sharing the link with us, okay? All right, so either way is okay. Now, because I'm using the videos that I've already drug over here for your 30-day challenge, I'm going to go ahead and just make another one to show you how to do that later. Weebly is so easy to use. So I'm going to drag, if you look up here, I'm going to go up and I'm going to find a title box. Here we go. And I'm going to drag it under here. There we go. And this I'm going to call my 30-day challenge. Okay, now I've decided that for my 30-day challenge, I want to do a slideshow. So I'm going back over here and right next to the title, I'm going to drop slideshow. I'll just choose this option and continue, and I can upload my photos later. It didn't save it for me, so let me go ahead and try again. This time I'll upload a couple of photos just to hold the spot. I can change them out later. So again, I'm going to choose this option, continue. I'm going to upload some photos. There. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. And I'm going to add a title box. Okay, so there's my 30-day challenge slideshow. At the end of my 30-day challenge, I'm also required to make a presentation about my challenge and whether it was a success or not, how I measured the success, and so on. So I'm going to add another title box. I'm going to call this, my 30-day challenge results. Okay, I want to make that bigger and prettier. There we go. I'm going to choose that. Hopefully it was the same color. There we go. All right, I think it isn't. That's okay. You can always go back and change things. Now, I have to put in a video that I've used because I'm going to use the one that's already on the template for my intro. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and drag two more over here. I think I'll be putting stuff up from my phone. So I'll go ahead and I'll drag that. And for YouTube because I kind of know how to use that already, and it's an easy way to share with classes. Okay. All right, so there's both again, and you look at your page, and you have a place for the class tasks. Your title, recipe and information. Here's your introductory video, 30-day challenge presentation 1, 30-day challenge results. Oh, I should call that okay. Final 30-day challenge results video presentation. Okay, and again, to upload, I would just click here and upload a file, right? And it's as easy as this, just clicking and uploading. Or with YouTube, click, paste in the URL. Make sure on the video that you've made on YouTube that you choose the unlisted option. And there you go. Now remember, in editor view, you're not going to be able to see what the video looks like. You'll have to look at that in guest view. Okay, and as soon as you're happy with what's done, click publish. Thank you, and good luck with your introductory videos.